A very good morning, dear students. We are into the new chapter, that is natural disaster. So, disaster which are going to occur as a result of nature. So, due to the reactions which occurs in the nature will cause the disaster. So, dear students, in the textbook, a question has been given to you. Observe the given picture and answer the following questions. What does the picture show? They have given the two options. One is construction and the other one is destruction. So, let us see what could be the reason behind this. So, when you look into this picture, what do you think? Is it a construction or a destruction? It's a destruction. And one more pic you can see here. A building collapsed due to an earthquake. So children, you can see one more pic, that is houses submerged fully. It has been merged in the flood water. And here is one more pic which you can see a farmer showing drought affected land. And the last one is a strong winds during a cyclone. So dear children, in the chapter number 11, that is natural disaster, we are going to learn about meaning of natural disaster, types of natural disaster, and what are the causes or the reasons why these natural disasters occurs, and what are the measures or the precautions that we need to adopt in order to avoid this disaster. So let us look into this chapter, that is natural disaster. So in the previous slide you could see I have shown the four pics. One is destruction of a building. Next, a house which was merged into water and a strong wind which was blown. Next, one more was a man showing about the drought land. What is all that speaks about? It is the natural causes which is being occurred naturally, which is not created by the man. So the picture given above shows what? Tells about what? Destruction. Destruction are caused by the forces of nature. That means it is naturally occurring reactions in the nature itself. It is not being created by the man. So the events or the circumstances which is being caused or occurred by the forces of the nature, we call it as natural disaster, which causes heavy damage to the life and property are called natural disasters or natural calamities. So the events which are caused by the forces of nature that causes heavy destruction or damage to the life and the property are called natural disaster. So in this natural disaster we have various disasters like first one earthquakes, floods, second one third droughts and cyclones. These are all the types of natural disasters as well as kinds of natural disaster. So the events which are caused by the nature itself and which causes damage to the life and the property, we can call it as natural disaster. Earthquake, flood, drought and cyclone are the examples or the kinds of natural disaster. So dear students, we cannot say that the natural disasters are only the earthquakes or the floods or drought and cyclones. Even the tornado, we can say it is another kind of natural disaster. Mudslide, volcanic eruptions, sandstorm, deforestations, forest fire, tsunami, tufan. These are also one kind of natural disasters, which comes under or which falls under natural disaster. So dear students, we saw the meaning of natural disaster and the kinds of natural disasters. Now let us see one by one the meaning of these terms, that is earthquake, flood, cyclone, drought. Basically, destruction is nothing but the action or the process of destroying of what? Something, or brought to an end is called destructions. Which is causes harmful or which brings an end to something is called destruction. So what would be the causes for the destruction? Pollution, climatic changes, land clearings, resource exploitation. So these are the causes for the destruction. So we can say in short, natural disaster